Hey guys, it's Dale with eInsurance and your quirky question of the week. This week, our customer sent us a question about home insurance, and then something that all of us have, credit history. The question is, does my credit history impact home insurance? And we get these questions often, not just with home insurance, but with the other insurance verticals that we work in. And it pains me to say, but yes, it does. It's almost like a foregone conclusion that the credit history, your credit history, will impact almost anything having to do with insurance. Your credit history being kind of your debt levels, do you pay bills on time, how many accounts do you have, things of that nature. I would say, well, not I would say, but it's been shown that about 85% of insurance carriers, home insurance carriers, utilize your kind of credit history when they come up or develop your premium and your policy. That being said, do note that there are some states where it's prohibited to actually use your credit history when underwriting your home insurance. So, make sure you check to see if you're in one of those states, but for the most part, yes, it does impact your home insurance. Another factor is what's called your insurance score. And it's much like your credit history, and in fact, carriers actually use your credit history to develop an insurance score. An insurance score, so it uses your credit history, it couples that with internal data that the insurance carrier has, whether it be your claims history or the type of home you live in, or the amount of alarms that you may have in your home, things like that, to come up with a rate for you. And the reason why, fundamentally, the reason why carriers use credit history so much is that there have been so many actuarial studies that show that credit history is actually negatively correlated with a person's probability of filing a claim. So if you think about it, those that are typically financially stable and well off have a lower probability of filing a claim. So obviously the carriers look at these studies and they target those individuals that typically have solid credit. So that's our quirky question of the week. Remember to send your questions at questions at einsure.com, and we'll talk to you next week. Take care, guys.